Mazu Islands are a minor archipelago of 36 islands and islets in the Taiwan Strait. It is the smallest county in Taiwan, which is located to the east of China. Due to the geographic location of Mazu, it was positioned as an important area of national defense. Consequently, Mazu was kept under military rule. Nevertheless, the isolated location restricted its potential for economic development, thus a result of which Mazu is significantly less developed than the most parts of Taiwan. Based on the isolated location and the limited resources, Mazu tours to developing ecotourism industry in the future, which is ensuring that Mazu's development maintains an appropriate balance between economic growth and environmental protection. Since 2012, the bioluminescent algae started booming in Mazu. We named it dinoflagellate. The booming of the dinoflagellate causes the surface of the ocean to sparkle at night. This spectacle attracts tons of tourists and has been seen as local culture symbolic. During my summer vacation, I traveled to Mazu and met an algae expert in Taiwan, Dr. Zhou Hongnong, who is the Master Program Leader of Fisher Science in National Taiwan University, showed a great amount of interest in this project. According to our research, we found the main causes of the dinoflagellate boost to be the pollution from China and global warming. Ironically, most of people don't believe the beautiful algae are come from the pollution. I intend to discuss this contradictory issue and find the best solution for them. The species called red tide in Mazu is Noctiluca scintillans. They generate red pigment and eat organisms underwater. It turning the seawater to the ugly red when it's booming. Normally, it boosts in the tropical area. The ammonia from them not only kill the marine life, but cause the allergy to human beings. But make the ocean be attractive on the night. We cannot stop the pollution from China. The bioluminescent creature not only has been seen as our local culture, but also prompt the local tourism industry. What if culture and nature? Ecotourism emphasizes on the interrelationship between the tourism and the environment. Therefore, the concept has been linked to the local pollution. By utilizing the local culture waste as a food for heterogeneous dinoflagellate and building a transparent artificial ecology. My design challenges the pollutions in an increasingly human-dominated environment, and further, turning dinoflagellate into ecotourism industry.
The most important nutrients required for algae growth is nitrogen and phosphorus. So the effluent has the exact nutrients required for algae growth.
So we can take the waste material from that process and use it to feed the algae. So we end up closing the loop and utilizing all of the products that are generated from algae.
The project has been developed through the physical experimentation. The cultivation runs smoothly with the guidance of the biohacker, Mr. Tom Holder, who gave me the professional knowledge needed to use the laboratory. The cultures were subdivided using new test bottles on the right life condition. 1 month later, the population increased from 20 mil to 500 mil. And within this half year, it was produced around 8 liters in the lab. I collected several lamins from the glass factory. Optical lamins may help the growth of dinoflagellate. Fresh Leon lamins is the best material for focusing light. The physical testing makes dinoflagellate grow faster than other lamins. Design has to consider the hydrodynamics, the efficiency of photosynthesis for increasing biomass, and the transportation of agricultural waste. I divided the research to the 3 parts: the material, form, and system design. The light spot on the installation on the day. Dinoflagellate absorbs double energy through the refraction of a mirror. On the other hand, the form creating the smooth hydrodynamics when water throws down it. And the system transports the agricultural waste from the farm. Gradually, the digital system is dominated by nature. Culturing heterogeneous dinoflagellate is the positive way for developing local ecosystem without a huge investment. Besides, each cell reproduces in the day under the right conditions. This means the more dinoflagellate produced, the more efficient it does.